Whenever it comes to issues like scale-based issues with booleans, we certainly try our best to prevent users from running into them if it can be avoided. For this, we will SX scale the cube out. We'll press Alt-W to start Boxcutter, but I'll go in the behavior panel, and we're just going to turn off apply scale, which means that whenever I draw a shape and I shift it to live, this shape is still unscaled or unapplied on scale. And this means that whenever I choose to perform a radial array operation, things will get weird, but not anymore, because we fixed it where now you no longer will have to press S to apply to scale. Now whenever you use radial array, it just works. But previously, the shape would come out oblong and looking unique if the shape had unapplied scale. And then of course the target still has unapplied scale, but at least our shape was properly compensated by the radial array for its negative scale scenario, or unapplied scale scenario. Sorry, I said negative scale scenario. In this case, it's a unapplied scale scenario.